Verifying your bank account on Wave Accounting is an important step to ensure accurate financial tracking. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Wave account. Access your Wave Accounting account by entering your credentials on the Wave website. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your bank account. Find the bank account you wish to verify from the list displayed. Click on it to open the account details and see the verification options available. Step 4. Initiate the verification process. Look for the option to verify your bank account. This may involve confirming small deposits made by Wave into your bank account. Follow the prompts to proceed with the verification. Step 5. Enter verification amounts. Check your bank statements for the small deposits made by Wave. Enter the exact amounts in the designated fields on the Wave platform to complete the verification process. Once submitted, your bank account will be verified. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on Wave Accounting. This will help you manage your finances more effectively and ensure accurate bookkeeping.